Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make French vanilla cinnamon cornbread. Okay, so it's boxed cornbread that I'm going to doctor up my way. Okay, alright, so let me adjust the camera. Let's do it, alright? Thanks. Okay, so I have the box of cornbread right here. It's one box. I have one egg right here. I'm going to put that in. Then we're going to add some, this is grapeseed oil, but you can add vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever one you have. Let's just do about, okay, that's about 6 tablespoons. And this is the French vanilla cream. This is the same cream that you would use in your coffee. So I'm going to add this to the cornbread. That's about 1/4 cup. And then we have cinnamon. Let's just sprinkle as much as you want in there of the cinnamon. I would say I put about maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay, and I want to mix that up. So what I'm looking for is 2 things. The flavor of vanilla and the cinnamon. Okay. That'll do it. Let me just get a pan and we'll pan up. 1 second. Okay. So now we're going to put it in the pan. I have grapeseed oil already in this pan, okay? You're going to put whatever oil you have in your pan and spread it all around the sides as well. Alright, now we're going to bake that in the regular oven on 400 degrees, okay, until it's brown on the top, and you stick a knife in the middle and make sure that nothing comes out on it, okay? And also hit the like button if you like this. Next time I think I want to cook some cornbread with bacon in it. You think that'll be good? Let me know. Okay, alright, so I'm going to put it in the oven and we'll be back when it's done. Okay, thanks. Okay guys, our French vanilla cinnamon cornbread is out. How about that, huh? We cooked it in the regular oven on 400. And it only took like maybe, I'd say 15-20 minutes. Okay, alright, so you taste it and let me know how it came out. It's hot, so, and I have to run. I'm going to church. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Thanks. Bye-bye.